So, kakatapos ko lang mag-ready, maligo. Yeah. Kakain lang kami saglit and papasok na. Ihatid ko na si AM. So, update ko na lang kayo guys. Later, bye-bye. Guys, say hi. Kain muna kami ng breakfast. So, ito yung hindi ko kahapon pero hindi ko nakain. Kakainin ko na. And si Aiden, favorite niya yung Skyflakes. So, hi.
Watching something.
Yeah. How do you feel? A bit okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Naubo kasi siya. Kawawa naman ng baby. Hello. So we're going to school.
The last day.
Of school and work. Ngayong week of the week. So tomorrow pupunta kami sa Christmas event sa base. Yeah. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko. And friends ni
Saturday?
AM. Yes.
Saturdays.
Yes.
Christmas in my school or
No, in San Diego. We're
Where?
going to San Diego. But I'm not sure if we're able to see Tatay. But he's going home na on Saturday after his duty.
yeah, he's
Yeah.
gonna pass us.
Yeah, it's okay. So he can rest. And then when we get home, he's at home na, right?
Yeah, I just wanna like.
Ay, so nahatid ko na si AM and papunta na ako sa work ko. Ay, sana matapos namin yung day na to ng okay. And sana umokay na yung feeling niya. Though, kasi, tawag dito, inuubo siya. Wala namang lagnat or something. So, inuubo lang. Kaso, syempre, ayun, hindi siya komportable. So, hopefully, ay, nako, kung pwede lang sa akin na lang yun. Ay, okay guys. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. Well guys, nasa work na ako. Mag-wait pa ako ng mga 2 minutes before pumasok. So, yeah. Everyday, nakikita nyo kung paano yung life ko. Yung snippets ng life ko everyday. Ganito lang, like, paulit-ulit. Every weekend lang kami nakakapag gala talaga. So, yeah. Update ko na lang kayo guys again later. Siguro makakapag-video ako kapag after work again. So, hi, hello. Okay, bye guys.
2,000 years later.
Well guys, so kaka-off ko lang and magsusundo na tayo ng makulit. Di pa ako kumain. So, gutom na ako. Meron lang akong ganito. Yeah. So, update ko na lang kayo guys later. Magda-drive muna ako. Bye! I'm hungry.
Go past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn left onto Laguna Vista Drive.
I'm hungry. Kaya kakainin ko later.
Turn left. Then take the first right onto Dominigoni Parkway.
sa school ni Aiden at magwe-wait pa ng 23 minutes. And sobrang taas na naman ang araw. Naghahanap ako ng parkingan dito. So, ano lang ako dito sa gilid. Hopefully makahanap ako ng parking before sila lumabas. Yeah. Guys, what are you eating?
A Jelly Rancher candy cane.
What? A jelly what?
Jelly Rancher candy cane.
Where did you get that?
From Julian again, a new student.
A new student? He keeps on giving you treats?
Yeah. Maybe
Did you say thank you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how was your day?
Then,
Did you cry? Did you cough pa? A bit? But you feel a lot better?
I
Okay.
didn't cry.
Okay, that's good, love.
And I got the prize from the prize box because we got a lot of points.
A lot of points from?
Mrs. Marker.
Okay.
We got 2001.
Oh my
No,
god.
we got 2,100 points.
Okay. Did you answer the question correctly?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So we're going to Momsy, huh? Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. See you later. Magda-drive na ako. Are you buckle up? Okay. Go drink water, love. Baby, go drink water. Your bag is over there. Come on. Love you. I love you. Oh no! You're showing your... You have wipes in there, in your bag. Okay, bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Adios.
Ayun.
Laki po ng anin to? Bone. Say hi, Lola. Hi, Lola.
Hi.
Mapapanood nyo po to sa YouTube, Char. Mag-upload po ako sa YouTube. It's day 5. Andito kami kay Mamsi.
Ay, naku.
Hi, Mamsi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. Magluluto na naman tayo. Ang soup. Tinola.
Oh, tinola po. Meron pa po kaming tinola sa ref.
Munggo ito ano?
Ha?
Munggo ito?
Opo. Ano po yan? Bean sprout. Yeah. Sprout. Yeah. Okay guys, pauwi pa lang kami galing Kalamamsi. So later magta-try tayong magbalot ng mga gifts. Hopefully makahanap ako ng tape kasi naubos na. For Christmas. Yeah. It's gift giving, right?
What?
It's gift giving.
Yes, but Santa wanted
Nanay is the Santa.
But you don't have the power to invent air with your sled.
I don't need a sled. I don't need Rudolph.
Car. That's boring.
I have car.
It's boring.
Why it's boring?
You're not even Santa.
I'm Santa Nanay.
But you don't have the right name. It's only Santa Claus.
Yeah. Nanay is the elf of Santa.
No,
That's
but,
why I'm gonna
but
wrap the
you're-
gifts.
But you're not a dwarf.
Yeah, I'm not a dwarf, but Nanay is the like
Yeah.
one of the elves of Santa.
But you're.
That's
a
why I
dwarf.
wrap gifts.
But if you're an elf, you can be a dwarf.
No, you don't have to be dwarf to be to help Santa wrap gifts.
Yeah.
Okay, meron na naman tayong package. Another day, another package. Hindi ko na na-video, pero kumain kami ng baby Coke. And pinakain ko na siya ng dinner para makainom siya ng gamot. And ako din, kumain na ako. And share ko lang, ito yung favorite na budol sa amin ni Paula. So, sa Costco to nakukuha. Sobrang sarap. Dark chocolate siya, pero merong sa gitna na blueberry. It's really good. Like, pag na-start mo siya, parang ayaw mo nang tigilan. Oh my God. Last one. Ayan, naliligo si Colette. Say hi.
Hi guys, I can make bubbles. Look.
Mhm.
Do this or this?
Don't show your body, okay? Just like that. Pinag-bubble bath ko siya kasi para maano yung sipon niya. Naka-open naman yung heater, so yeah.
Why you love it?
I love you.
Me too.
Where are my kisses? Where are my kisses?
Playing in the bathtub. Watch this. It's gonna pop and then it's gonna fall out. Look.
So, may event kaming pupuntahan nila kay next week. So, Diyos ko, ayun na naman siya. Yung mga sumpa sa face. Lumalabas na naman. Ayun. Hindi pa kasi ako nagkakaroon. Oh my God. Pero hindi ako, di buntis. Baka next year pa. Yeah. So, yeah. Mag-open tayo ng mga boxes
Guys,
later.
watch this.
Okay. So, nakahanap ako ng isang tape. Ewan ko kung ilan yung ko. Naghahanap ako ulit ng ganitong pangbalot kaso wala na sa Target. Meron na silang bago ngayon. So, pero gagamitin ko pa rin ito kasi sayang. Look, meron pa akong dalawa. And extra ito. Bali parang 3. Yeah. Let's go. Okay guys, mag-open tayo ng box. So, ito ay kaka-receive lang. And shoes to ni Aiden. Kasi yung mga Jordan 4 niya, maliliit na sa kanya. So, nung nag-release yung bago ulit na Jordan 4, kinahanan ko siya. So, ito siya. Tadan, all black. Size 2Y. So, buksan natin to. Mga to. Dami. Lagot tayo kay tatay. Char. Tatay approved. Yan. Mabilisan lang na haul. Black Friday haul. So, kinuhanan ko si AM ng turn na Chicago Bulls na jacket and pants. Ayan. Kasi fancy tatay ng Chicago Bulls and meron din siyang jacket na ganito. Tapos, another hoodie again. Red hoodie. Kasi red yung sa school ni AM. And pang gift. And pants. Black pants. Kasi maliit na yung black pants ni Aiden. Yan lang. And then, isa lang top. Isang ganito. Yan lang yung nakuha ko for me. Another one. Ordered another Stanley. And Stanley. I'm not sure mapapanood to ni tatay or kung pinapanood niya talaga yung video namin. Pero regalo ko kay tatay to. Pang kape niya. Yan. So, meron na siyang black na ganito. Pero, kasi minsan naiiwan niya. So, ibang ano naman yan. May takip yun. May takip din naman to. Pero, ito hindi siya secured. Look. Ganito siya. So, in case lang na maiwan niya. Meron siyang isang ganito. I'm not sure if pinapanood naman ni Tata yung mga vlogs namin na like na buo. So, regalo ko ulit kay Tatay. Lacoste na jacket and long sleeves. Okay, kulit. Kasi may ganito na si Tatay, ganitong color. So, si Aiden, wala pa siyang ganitong color. Kaya kailangan ko din siya. Ayun. So, what's this? Oh, it's Kobe slides. Pang gift. Oh, this one is for Aiden. Pero kumuha din ako ng mga ganito na pang gift. Uy, ang laki niya. So, 2Y. So, kumuha din ako ng mga pang ganito. Ganito na pang regalo. 1. Pero, usually, yung mga nandito, mga pang gift. Di na yata ako makakapagbalot. Haul na naman to. Haul. So, isa. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Uggs. Pero, meron akong kinuha pang gift. Uggs din to. Look, it's so cute. It's pink.
Is it mine or yours?
No, it's for girl.
Oh,
It's,
thank you.
yeah. Size 2Y yung kinuha ko kay Aiden. Pero I think 1Y, 1 point, dapat may 0.5. Alanganin yung 1Y sa kanya. So, yeah, kinuha ko. Okay lang naman. Adjustable naman siya. Itong malaking box na to ay Uggs lahat. And what else? Another Uggs. Makikita nila yung kung sino man yung re-regaluhan nito and kung ano sila. Matatandaan nila na pinakita ko dito sa vlog na to. Yung mga to. So, may maliit. Oh, it's so cute. It's Uggs. Napaka-cute. And then, this one. It's Uggs. This one is for Tatay. Same sila ni Aiden. I think these are 90. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if ibabalik ko to. Pero gift ko sana to kay Tatay. It's the Jordan like premium ball. So, it's this one. Look guys, it's so pretty. I'm not sure if ibabalik ko to. Look, it's velvet. And may nakalagay
Is it
na
basketball?
Jordan sa kanya. Yeah.
Is it a basketball?
Yeah. Ang gift ko sana to kay Tatay, pero may isa kasi akong nakita. I'm not sure if ibabalik ko to o yung isa yung ibabalik ko. We'll see. I'm not sure din kung papanoodin dito ni Tatay. So, I mean, nanonood naman siya, pero baka hindi niya tinatapos, so hindi niya alam. Ang ganda ng lalagyan. Look, it's so pretty. See that? Okay. Next. Okay. Ito yun. Yung isang hinihintay ko. It's the Kobe ball.
Can I have
Look.
that? It's matching with my shoes.
Yeah. So, I think ito na lang yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. I-return ko yung isa. Kasi gusto niya talaga si Kobe. Oh, Tatay, if you're watching, I love you. Pero, I know, hindi mo naman tatapusin yung video. Kaya, di mo malalaman na ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Charing. Okay. Kasi, I'm not sure if gold or black yung isusuot ko na shoes. Usually, kumukuha talaga ako ng dalawang kulay para titingnan ko kung anong bagay. For next week. Kasi, meron silang Christmas party. Pero, it's formal. So, yeah. Kumuha ko ng black and gold. So, we'll see kung ano yung bagay.
No.
This.
No.
More Stanleys. Stanleys. Ayan. So, update ko na lang kayo guys. Later, itutupi ko lang lahat ng mga box na to para mailagay ko tomorrow sa trash. Okay. Okay, so pinakita ko na kay tatay, hindi ako nakatiis kasi hindi ko alam kung sino mas gusto niya. Kung si Kobe o si Jordan. Pero sabi niya si Jordan daw. Pero pinakita ko na kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng i-keep tong dalawa. I-return ko yung isa kung alin man yung mapipili niya. So, yeah. Ito kasi magagamit niya to sa basketball talaga. Yung isa para kasi siyang pang-display lang. So, ayun lang guys. I-end ko na yung vlog ko dito. Hindi na yata ako makakapagbalot kasi sobrang haba na. So, sa ano na lang, tomorrow na lang guys. Or sa Sunday. Sige na guys. Bye. Bye. Aiden, come here. Say goodnight. Come here.
Bye, guys. Bye. I'm watching. Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, go kiss. Paano daw yung ano? 1, 2, 3. Adios.
Adios. Bye.